summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, just my wasted love. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
When it comes to feeling at home, it's really all about the little things. And the Zuli Smart Plug is one little thing that's surprisingly big on comfort. Just plug it in, connect a lighter appliance, then use the Zuli app to power on anything in your home, from anywhere, and make it work exactly the way you want, like dimming lamps that don't even have a dimmer. And when you have 3 or more smart plugs, they work together to sense your presence as you move from room to room. So temperature, lighting, and whatever else contributes to your perfect idea of comfort, adapt to your preferences wherever you go. The app lets you set anything in your home to run on your schedule and puts the complete picture of household energy use at your fingertips, helping you make smart decisions for your budget and your footprint. It's designed to work natively with the Nest thermostat and Philips Hue, creating a single hub for all your smart home products. And with shared access for the whole family, the power is in everyone's hands. Then when it's time to head out, perfect comfort turns to perfect getaway, as everything turns off behind you, so you never end up wasting energy, money, or time worrying. Make your home more helpful and enjoy the feeling of perfect comfort that follows you everywhere.